left. Towards left, the mighty Indus and the city of Chelas. And the passage is sitting towards the right. Towards the right, the highest mountain you can see is Nanga Parbat, approx 26,600.
ये आ गया
After
सामने
Nanga Parbat, towards right will be the Sleeping Beauty. Shortly we will be flying over position Ramgarh. Thereafter Bunji, Jaklod and then to Gilgit. Shortly we will start our descent. And we are thankful to you for choosing your national flag carrier, Pakistan International
ये
Airlines.
नागा पर्वत है ना
And we hope to see you on board again.